Welcome. In this video, we are diving into a classic algorithmic problem, finding the longest increasing subsequence. We will start with the fundamental dynamic programming approach, and then we will unlock a highly efficient optimization using binary search that transforms the complexity from O of n squared to O of n log n. Before we begin, it is crucial to distinguish between a subarray and a subsequence. A subarray is a contiguous slice of an array. The elements must sit next to each other. A subsequence, however, can be derived by deleting elements. The remaining elements keep their original relative order but do not need to be neighbors. For this problem, we are looking for subsequences. Here is the problem. Given an integer array, we need to find the length of the longest subsequence where the elements are strictly increasing. Look at this example array. We have 10, 9, 2, 5, 3, 7, 101, and 18. One valid increasing subsequence is 2, 3, 7, and 101. This has a length of 4. Let us solve this using dynamic programming first. We define a state, dp of I, representing the length of the longest increasing subsequence that ends specifically at index I. To calculate this, we check every index j before I. If the number at I is greater than the number at j, we can potentially extend the subsequence ending at j. Let us trace this. Suppose we are calculating for the value 33 at index 3. We look back at 10, 22, and 9. 33 is larger than all of them. The longest sequence we found ending at 22 had length 2. By appending 33, we get a length of 3. We repeat this comparison for every element against all its predecessors. The dynamic programming approach is correct, but it has a time complexity of O of n squared. For an array with 100,000 elements, that is roughly 10 billion operations, which is too slow for competitive programming or large datasets. We need a faster way. We can achieve O of n log n by building the subsequence more intelligently using binary search. This optimization is often called patient sorting. The strategy involves maintaining a list called tails. We iterate through our numbers one by one. If a number is larger than everything in our tails list, we append it. If it is not, we use it to replace the smallest element in the tails list that is greater than or equal to it. This keeps our potential end elements as small as possible. Let us see this in action. Imagine our input stream starts with 10, 9, and 2. Initially, our tails list holds 10, then comes 9. 9 is smaller than 10, so we replace 10 with 9. Then comes 2. 2 is smaller than 9, so we replace 9 with 2. By keeping the tail element small, we make it easier to extend the sequence later. Now, suppose the next number is 5. 5 is greater than 2, which is the last element in our tails list. So, we simply append 5. Our list is now 2, 5. This represents a potential increasing subsequence of length 2. We continue this process using binary search to efficiently find the replacement spot for any number that does not extend the list. In summary, while the standard dynamic programming approach is intuitive, the binary search method is far superior for performance. The length of the tails list we built corresponds exactly to the length of the longest increasing subsequence. This allows us to solve the problem in O of n log n time, handling massive arrays with ease.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.